Hello everybody. This word is Pose+Context, a model for recognizing nonverbal teaching behavior of normal college students. Background. Normal college students practice their teaching skills to prepare for their teaching career. However, due to the complexity of teaching skills and the overburdening of instructors, their needs for instructional feedback are often not met. See in this picture, there is no teacher tutoring how well they are teaching. So, our goal is to recognize normal college students' attention-related nonverbal behavior, include CA, a normal student focus on the audience in classroom, CP, a normal student focus on the podium, that is the teacher's desk, CS, the normal student focus on the classroom screen. So, with these three types, we want to tell the students how much time they spend on such behaviors so they can reflect on their teachings. Our method. To serve automatic feedbacks to normal college students, this paper proposes a deep learning model called Pose+Context to recognize three types of nonverbal teaching behavior, short for NVTB. The model includes three parts. The first one is context detection. Context detection means to detect some context factors related to the student's teaching. For example, like the podium, the blackboard, and so on. The second part is pose estimation, that is to estimate the student's pose. And with these two parts, a classifier may reasoning about the type of their behavior. So the third part is behavior recognition. And this part will output one of the three types of NVTP. The result of our method. Experiments show that it performs better than a similar model without this component, without the context component. Look at this row. That is our method. The number of samples are 14. One sample means students, and more than 500 images related to their teaching video, and the means of the accuracy of this model is 84%, with the max value of 90%. And another method is only detecting the pose of the college student. By this method, mean accuracy of 81% is achieved, which is lower than the Pose+Context method. So the result indicate our method is better than traditional behavioral method without the context detection parts. Discussions. How to apply our method in practice in press scenario. A simple application of our method is to make statistics of different scores. For example, from 1 to 5, higher score means better teaching. You can see it in this figure. In the lowest score column, more CP value is shown, which means students may focus more on the podium to see their teaching. And when we see at the 5 score column, the student pay more attention to the audience, which is indicated by the index of CA. CA means the focus of the audience. So by this statistic, we can make some reasoning about why the student achieve high score or not. This is very helpful for the student themselves. And about the future world, when we look deeply into the error sample, we find that the behavior may make some confused when one scoring their teaching. For example, look at the left 2 images. When the true label is CA, which means the student look at the audience, the prediction of the model is CP, which means the student is focused on the podium. Why the model made the wrong decision? From the images, we can know that both images stand in front of the podium. Maybe with this similarity, the model made the wrong decision. And another example is shown on the right 2 images, where the true is CA, but the prediction is CX. CX means the student is focusing on the students on the screens. Yeah, sorry for that. So we can see in these pictures, similar pose with similar context may have different truth. So in the future world, richer context information and richer pose detection component will be improved to improve the final results. Thank you for listening.